Namaste, friends. In the field of yoga, at times we have many questions regarding the poses and the connection with the breath, then the benefits, then the contraindicators, and many such things. But before all these things, the most important thing is the preparation when we enter into yoga session. We in our life always know this one fact that preparation towards anything can increase the impact of the action in which we involve many folds. Just like that, in the practice of yoga also, certain preparation will improve the effect of the practice or the time spent on the yoga practice. So, and with the experience, what I have collected is that we prepare less around these simple facts. For example, the first thing is that at least 15 to 20 minutes before the practice of yoga, we should try to disconnect our attention from the outer world, because the practice of yoga will lead us to have the connection with ourselves. Then the bowel must be empty, or if you have eaten the food, the inner feeling must be light. With the heavy feelings, we should not enter into the session of yoga, because many reflexes can happen around that time, which could disturb the natural rhythm. Then is what one can do around these 15-20 minutes of time of silence. We can rest, because the rest will boost the performance or the involvement to the session we are engaged. Then is the clothing also is very important, because we need to bend forward, backward, sidewise. So the dress must be loose and highly comfortable. It creates impact. So like this, another important factor is the environment. This is the most important thing. The environment must be natural. The fragrance around also must be good, and we should always try to remove the worries of the world in which we live when we enter the session of yoga. Why? Because the nature of these practice is to expand the inner thing with which we enter. So if we enter in the peaceful environment inside, then the peace will expand itself. If you enter the yoga place with some disturbance inside, likewise that disturbance will also expand. These little preparation will boost your performance many folds. Pay attention to these simple facts. And then one most important thing is, after the session is finished, you also should withdraw your attention for another 15 to 20 minutes time. I've seen many people after finishing the session of yoga, we feel good and we start speaking, interacting without understanding in the enthusiasm that how loud we talk, and then we talk relentlessly on any topic, we should not leave the environment of yoga immediately after the session ends. So these small things, if you pay attention, it will be highly beneficial for you. By these little preparation or understanding, you can have the impact of a week time in one session. Without preparation, what you get in 7 days, with preparation you can get in 1 day. So it is important. Pay attention to these simple facts and see how your session start creating differences in your life. With this, we'll end over here. We'll end this video with a divine syllable.